Alrighty, so today we're going to be replacing some hatch arms for 2006 Prius. Here's the top bit, has a little bit of goop in it. And the bottom bit, which has a bit of grease too. I'm going to be using just a normal flathead screwdriver today. And I actually ended up using an extension pole for painting to hold up the trunk, weirdly enough. Here you can see it holding up quite nicely, and there's actually a little compartment in there. I don't know what it's used for, but it fits our purposes pretty well. Here we have the 4 points we're going to be working on today. And honestly, it's not that hard. Just slip the flathead in and wiggle it a little bit until you see it come loose. Just like that. Same process for the top, but we're going to be going in from the bottom this time. And here you can see the arm that suffered a leak, which is what prompted the replacement in the first place. Totally not that I got a concussion from it, but yeah. And we just simply pop it off. Just make sure to clean it off. It's been 14 years for this car in specific. Same process for the bottom, and while you're here, you may as well just clean off whatever you find. As you can see, they lost the grease a long time ago. Make sure to grab it firmly and pop it on. And same for the top, except you will need your left hand to raise the trunk up a little bit. Same process for the left side. And because I don't trust anything, I make sure to push that in, hopefully without breaking it. Alrighty, moment of truth. There we go. If you want to use the arms I specifically bought, you can find them at the link in the description. I'll get a kickback and you'll get some cheap arms that you know work. Hope it helped. Please leave a comment if it did.